How to find your PIN in Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. And today in this instructional video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of retrieving your PIN in Roblox for the year 2024. So it is really crucial to follow the steps carefully to regain access to your account. So if you have forgotten your PIN, it is essential to reset it as there is no automated way to recover it. I'd suggest using a computer for this task. Begin by launching up your any preferred web browser such as Google Chrome and navigate to www.roblox.com. Sign into your account as usual. Tap on the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, you have to click on Help and Safety option that is just below the Quick Login. Click on it. Click on the Help Center and you will be directed to the official Roblox support page. Locate the search bar in the center of the page, type in PIN and choose the second option, that is I forgot the PIN. After you click on that option, this option explains that the PIN is necessary for modifying the account settings. Therefore, if you cannot recall your PIN, you will be unable to make any changes to your account. To proceed further, click on the provided contact form link that is highlighted in blue color, and you will be directed to the Roblox website where you must provide your contact details, specifying the device you play on, and select the relevant category for the assistance. Describe the PIN-related issue you are facing and submit the form. Await further instructions through the email, and I trust that this tutorial has assisted you in retrieving your PIN in Roblox for the year 2024. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more additional quick and straightforward tips. Thank you for your viewership.